pizza came fresh. I mean, literally, it was boiling. Hello, welcome to another vlog, and today I'm trying out Domino's Pizza. I mean, we've heard of Papa's Pizza, we've heard of Eddie's Pizza, but there's a new pizza in town. Relatively new, yeah, they've been in the system for a while, and today I want to try out their pizza. So kindly come with me, let's try out Domino's Pizza. For now, they have two branches. They have one at the East Legon, and they have another branch at Usu. Today I'm trying out the East Legon branch. Um, And also, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much for those of you who took the time to subscribe the other day. I've dropped a link to Domino's Pizza in the description of this video. You can use whichever navigation software that you have to navigate to the place. And can you also let me know if you've also tried Domino's Pizza and your experience with their pizza? Hello, I finally arrived at Domino's Pizza. So let's go get our pizza, then we can start our review. So we can start with our review. First of all, for packaging, their packaging is excellent. They give you this cardboard, carefully folded to keep your pizza warm, and the pizza came fresh. Domino's Pizza. So let's start our review. The flavor that I got is the spicy beef. Let's start with the first bite. Oh, and a pizza, you should get the right food. And everything here amounted to 35 cedis. I mean, it's quite affordable. But the taste, how tasty it is. So a pizza should come with the right food. See? It is okay for 35 cedis. I think somehow they cheated a little bit with the meat. Should have added an extra layer of meat. I would have loved to see an extra meat. What I got is a 35 cedis, and for 35 cedis for this, I think it's okay. And they have few meat lovers. They have all sorts of flavors. This is the spicy meat. For a taste, it's tasty. My only disappointment is that I'm not getting much of the sauce, and I would have loved the sauce to hit those senses. It's okay for 35 cedis. I mean, for a pizza, that's fine. So for taste, I think we should give them 2.5. That is average score. 2.5 over 5. It's average. It's okay. I mean, it's decent enough. Let me take another slide. And please, they also sell beverages as well. So you can go for your Coke, you can go for a Sprite, you can go for your malt, whatever. And the price for the beverages is 7 cedis. Baltic water is 3 cedis. That's okay. And as usual, I can't finish everything on camera. So there you have it. Domino's Pizza, East Legon branch. As I said, this is their spicy beef recipe for their classics. One of their classics. And it's okay. They're cool 2.5 for their pizza. That's okay. Packaging wise, it's excellent. We can give them 4.5 out of 5. And it's affordable. As I said, I got this for 35 cents. Thank you. Budget, it's relatively it's okay. It's an average pizza. So finally, is it something that I recommend? No problem. You can pass by, just try it out with a couple of friends. It's okay. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like this video, share it, let people hear about this particular pizza joint. Thank you.